Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Anyswap. When I shared my last video on Anyswap with you, at that time it was testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support after breaking it out. Right now the price line has retested this triangle, and by the way, this was the idea that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 14th of January. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas, then you can find the link to join me there in the video's description. I've already shared. Now, first of all, let me to show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price line is doing right now. We can see that the price line was just broke out the resistance of this triangle, and at that time it was moving at $31. By the way, when I shared the video with you, at that time it was moving at $30 and testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. Now I'm just going to play the chart and it will show you what happened after that. We can see that the price line moved down here and it was up to $30.92, by the way, and now it has rallied again up to $33.67. So this is another confirmation for the breakout that the price line moved down, tested the previous resistance as a support, and after this retest, the price line is moving up. Now again, if I share the target for this triangle with you, that is remain the same, approximately at $42. That is a measurement from this support, a resistance up to the support, and after placing it here, we can see that we can have a target approximately up to $42. And if we are trading this triangle, then I already told you in my previous video as well, we can use this $25 as our stop loss. And once this trend line will be moved above the $25, this support of the triangle, then we can use this support as a stop loss, because this is the point where we got rejected in the previous history of Anyswap. We can see that we had rejection, even though we had spike here up to $30, but it is moved down. Again, we had a rejection when the price line moved here exactly at the $25. Then we had this candlestick rejected, another candlestick was rejected, and here we broke out this resistance of $25 and also the resistance of the triangle as well. And after breaking it out, we retested the previous resistance of the triangle, not the support of $25, and now we are moving out. However, this support of the triangle can work as a long-term support for Anyswap now. Now, if we switch to the small time frame on the hourly time frame, then here we can observe that the price line has broken out this falling wedge pattern. Now it can reach at this resistance that is approximately at $34.5. However, our final target will be remain the same, that is approximately $42 as per this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.